In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export quiz questions from Moodle. By the end, you'll have a clean file of your quiz questions that you can reuse, share, or back up with confidence. First, make sure edit mode is turned on. This ensures you can access all of the course management options you need. Depending on your version, you'll see a toggle for editing or a Turn Editing On button near the top of the page. Once that's on, head into the course that contains the quiz you want to export. Inside your course, open the specific quiz you're working with. From there, look for More, or use the gear icon in the top right area. Navigate to Question Bank, then choose Export. You're now in the part of Moodle where the questions live, and this is where the export happens. Keep in mind, you're exporting question content, not student attempts or grades. Next, choose the export format that suits your needs. Moodle XML is the most complete option and preserves the full richness of your questions, including images, feedback, and advanced settings. If your questions are mostly text and you value portability, GIFT is a solid choice and works well across many systems that support it. Aiken is a very simple multiple-choice format. It's fast and lightweight, but typically limited to basic question types. If you want something you can open like a web page or paste into a document, XHTML creates a readable, formatted export. On the export page, you'll also pick the question category. If you've organized questions into categories, select the one that contains the items you want. This helps you export only what's relevant instead of the entire bank. Depending on the format, you may also have options to include category names or context information. Enable those if you want that extra structure to travel with your file. When everything looks right, click the button labeled Export Questions to File, or a similarly named option. Moodle will package your selection and start a download. Save that file somewhere you can find easily. Most browsers will place it in your Downloads folder by default. That downloaded file is your exported question set, ready for safekeeping, migration to another course, or import into another Moodle site. That's all there is to it. Turn on editing, go to your course, open the quiz's question bank export, choose the format, select the correct category, and export to file. Thanks for watching and happy teaching.